There she is, all caged up and ready to go. Oh, I feel a bit sad. Feel a bit sad to say goodbye. But it's time. Morning. I'm driving to go and pick up my new bike today. I've got the Aprilia Tuono in the trailer in the back there. I set off at 5:15 this morning. It's now nearly 6 o'clock. I've got another 3 hours to go to pick up the new bike. If you didn't already know, I wrote off the KTM 890 Duke R, which is a real bugger because I love that bike. Just really wanted a change with the Tuono, so I've taken this opportunity to downgrade to one bike. I'm just not using my bikes enough to warrant having two at the moment, so I'm going to get one. Very excited about this new bike. I will show it to you very shortly, but yeah, hope you watch to the end of this video, and it'd be really good if you drop me a like or follow the channel, and yeah, I'll check in a little bit once we get a little bit closer to pickup. Check out for now. Right, so just arrived at Moto Mart in near Wellington to pick up the bike. I might try and record video some of this stuff, but I feel a bit of a dick doing it, so we'll see how we go. Exciting! Put this in front of the... Yeah. Oh.
I need the key, though.
Oh, thank you. Oh, I'm so sad to see that go. Right, so just arriving home after 6 hours picking up the bike. It's pretty exciting.
Overspeed.